Yeah, man. You don't know. Good morning again, people. Don't know. I'm back with another new poem. Praise God. Give God. Thank God. Live to see another day, you know. It's a Sunday. And basically, this poem is about the whole heap of fraud we are going in Jamaica. With the heap of woman in my cart, you know, the bank fraud thing. You know. It's entitled Uptown Deadly Chopper because, you know, tell a lie thing, in my opinion, and then the ghetto man start scamming. And them high society people there, that's how way scamming start. It's entitled Uptown Deadly Chopper. It goes. From you have money, you're likely to get away with anything in this country. How I really are going? Oh, so much woman I get caught in a bank fraud. Woman where you trust with all your saving at the bank and end up with all of your life earning. How I really are going? Oh, so much woman I get caught in a bank fraud. Woman we're supposed to have integrity. I pray for take away the whole of your money. Look on the thief in lawyer woman, Masada, we chop Movada into and left him a screw out of millions of dollars. How I really are going? Oh, so much woman I get caught in a bank fraud. A them say chop the line. A them say rich badness and lavish lifestyle. Them not chop small. Them a chop big from all your life earning. Them a take scamming to a whole new level. How I really are going? Oh, so much woman I get caught in a bank fraud. Look what them do to both retirement fund. And you wonder why crime can't done. Where the man money there? Where money there? Where money there? All the billions of dollars just disappear from the man account. Yet still the bigger heads are going like them not care. How I really are going? Oh, so much woman I get caught in a bank fraud. Them pretty on the outside, but on the inside them a deadly uptown chopper. How I really are going? Oh, so much woman I get caught in a bank fraud. Them would chop you to size if you give them a dime. How I really are going? Oh, so much woman I get caught in a bank fraud. Them said donkey said the world on a level. If it was a poor man like me and you, would I get life behind bars. But show me know that the justice system is a big sham. Because the uptown chopper ladies, them a get lighter sentence. How I really are going? Oh, so much woman I get caught in a bank fraud. Uno might think say, uno escape from man when they rob hard-working people of their money, but they can't escape from the Most High God. Him see and know everything.